Ayo Davis, President of Disney.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the world premiere of Camp Rock 3. You know, it's hard to believe that it has been 18 years since audiences first experienced Camp Rock, a franchise that has truly defined a generation and has left a lasting mark on pop culture, giving us songs fans still love and know by heart, moves they still remember, and lines they still quote with characters that they will never forget. And tonight, we get to do something really special. We get to reopen the camp and welcome back the fans who grew up with these movies while introducing a whole generation to the magic for the very first time. And there is no better way to do this than alongside the Jonas Brothers and Demi Lovato. We are so grateful to have back, not only in front of the camera, but as executive producers. You see, together, they turned Connect 3 and Mitchie into legendary characters, helping to make this franchise truly iconic. And I have to tell you that watching them mentor and champion this new cast of campers has been such a gift. And I know the entire cast has benefited tremendously from the wisdom and care that has been so thoughtfully poured into them. Now, we are also so grateful for the passion and the detail that our brilliant creative team has brought to this movie. So I have to give a shout out to director Veronica Rodriguez. Writer Easy. And executive producers Tim Federle, Becky Kalinger, Spencer Berman, and Gary Baarshi. Thank you all so much for honoring what audiences have loved so much about Camp Rock while making sure that this next chapter, which is really important, feels fresh and fun for today's fans. Now, of course, to our incredible cast, starting with Liamani Segura. Liamani, you have stepped into a beloved franchise with confidence, charisma, and grace. You made the role completely your own, and your talent leaves off the screen. To Mr. Malachi Barton. It has been such a pleasure to have been a part of your journey for so long. You would bring so much heart to everything that you do, and you embrace this role with so much charm, authenticity, and ease. It is no surprise that audiences connect so deeply with you. Luby Pollock. Finding your voice is such an important theme of this particular fan franchise, and through your honesty and vulnerability, you brought Rosie to life in a way that resonates with all of us. Hudson Stone! You have brought some spark and humor and warmth to the role of Desi. You made his character feel genuine and memorable, and we cannot wait for audiences to discover your talent. Casey Trotter. Your comedic timing is impeccable, my friend. But what is so important is that you have matched every laugh with real musical talent, and that is not an easy balance to strike. We know that. To Brooklyn Pitts, Ava Jean, Ella Lucas, and Orlando Lucas. Thank you for bringing so much spirit, talent, and joy to Camp Rock. You truly made summer camp feel like a community. Okay, now, Sherry Cola. No tour runs without someone keeping the trains on the track, and no one could have done it better than you, my friend, with more humor, confidence, and personality. Thank you so much. I love you too, girl. Mariana Canals Barrera. It simply would not feel like Camp Rock without you. Thank you for once again welcoming us back and opening those gates for a whole new generation. And of course, I'd be remiss if I didn't thank my amazing team, Charlie Andrews, Brenda Grace, Steve Vincent, Amy Zolman, Amanda Rainey, and Jen Dubin. And to everyone at Disney, especially Dana Walden and Deborah O'Connell. Thank you for championing stories that inspire kids and families around the world on a daily basis. And now, before we roll this movie, it is time to reconnect with a few people who know Camp Rock better than anyone and who we will always consider family. Please, please join me in putting your hands together for Camp Rock 3 executive producers, Joe, Nick, and Kevin Jones.
Hey guys, how you doing? Thank you, Ayo, and thank you to the entire creative team bringing Camp Rock 3 to the screen.
You couldn't believe it. It's been 18 years since we were last seen as Connect Free. And we were so happy to be back, and we were so happy to be executive producing this and bringing this film to an entire new generation of fans. As dads, we know how much this new cast of kids is just absolutely amazing, and across the world, they will blow you completely away. We can't wait for all of you to fall in love with them, with their music, with the characters, and all the iconic Camp Rock Easter eggs throughout the entire film. And you didn't think we'd be returning to Camp Rock without Michi Torres.
Oh my God.
She's got a while. A year ago today, she shared the stage with us at MetLife Stadium. So now a year later, we're sharing the big screen again. Please welcome our friend and fellow executive producer, Demi Lovato.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
Hello. Thank you guys. I am so glad to be here to celebrate a film that is so close to my heart. Camp Rock and the role of Michi changed my life, and I am so honored to be an executive producer on this new film and bring Michi back to life. I know you'll all love this film just as much as we do, and I can't wait for you to meet this incredible new cast.
So without further ado, Camp Rock 3!